Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2011 Chevy Equinox LT. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is a 2.4 4-cylinder pushing out 182 horsepower. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A cloth interior. Coming around back we've got our Equinox LT badging. Opening up the tailgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Going to start it up. Rear view backup camera. Media display. Hard keys for a media display. Climate controls. Automatic transmission. The Chevy has 118,309 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of the Chevy Equinox LT, check out feldmanimports.com.